This is session 2, activity C, which is arithmetic activities. And this will model different simulations of what it's like to struggle with a math learning difference, which also incorporates some reading because very often there are word problems in math. So the first thing you want to do is present the yellow card to the children, and you'll see when you look at it that the way it's written is very challenging. It's very hard to read the spaces and the way the letters are positioned. So you'll ask the children to read through the problem to themselves and try to come up with an answer after they've read it. So do you think he has enough money is the question at the end. And you can tell them whether they give the correct answer or not. Yes, he has enough money. And they'll say, oh, it was so hard, I couldn't figure it out. So then you'll present them the second card, which does not have any of the challenges, and they'll read through.
This makes more sense.
And that makes a lot more sense to them. So you could just, discuss, make sure you discuss how they were feeling, how you might have the teacher help you, what things might, have the child with the learning difference of experience when they were trying to read it. And so definitely some discussion about those things. The next part, there is a second purple card as well that you can also do if you have extra time. Often there is, because the children move through those pretty quickly. So that's same type of thing, the challenging and the correct card. The next part is going to be some math computation. So you're going to present the children with this worksheet, and you'll see the way it's written. It can be very confusing, but you're going to ask them to try to complete, without telling the answers, to try to complete as best they can the problems that are there, and they will struggle. They are supposed to, which is all part of the discussion, understanding that frustration and things that we can do to help so that everyone can complete the math using those strategies. So once they've worked on it for a little while and they've experienced it, you could present them with this graph paper. And they'll see the difference of when the numbers are lined up using the graph paper, that this is a great strategy to use to help with math computation when you have a learning difference. And they'll see how much easier it is. They'll actually experience that. At the end, again, discuss some strategies. Some of these are outdated, so feel free to add your own strategies where now kids are using calculators, or they're using iPads, or they do continue to use graph paper. They might be better at presenting their information orally. They might be able to add in their head and be able to present the answer. So there's lots of different strategies. Please be sure to read through this in detail because it is all important information. And thank you for watching.